It starts with a little lean, a crack in the wood, maybe some rust on the posts. But ignore it long enough, and you'll face more than just an ugly fence. Structural damage, weather, moisture, and pests can break down your fence over time. What could have been fixed with a little sealant or paint might now need full replacement. Safety risks. Loose panels, sharp edges, or falling posts can be dangerous, especially for kids and pets playing nearby. Unwanted plant growth and pest invasion. Over time, vines, weeds, and even termites can take over. Your fence becomes a freeway for pests into your yard. Decreases curb appeal. Even a beautiful home can look neglected with a falling apart fence. First impressions matter, especially if you plan to sell. Repairs become more expensive over time. What starts as a small fix can spiral into a full replacement. A little maintenance now saves you big bucks later. Neglecting your fence may not seem urgent, but over time, it leads to damage, danger, and dollars down the drain. Maintenance isn't just a chore, it's protection. Need help getting your fence back in shape? Visit CAANFenceInc.com or call 781-767-3596 for expert repairs, maintenance, and more.